Now let's take a look at our subnetting scenarios and a few solutions. Now here are 4 common scenarios in subnetting. Each one of these scenarios will pick out a particular solution or a way of approaching the particular given scenario. And then we'll go on and we'll look at examples of how to do each one of these. The first scenario, given a network address and subnet mask, how many subnets can you have and how many hosts per subnet? For this particular scenario, we'll use a solution that's derived from a formula 2 to the nth minus 2, where n equals the number of the bits in the section. Just for now, you can just write that down. N equals the number of bits in the section, and we'll look specifically at that solution and how that works out with a given example. The second scenario here, given a network address and needs or customer requirements, remember those are the customer requirements there, given that network address and those customer requirements, provide a subnet mask. Here, we're without a subnet mask and we want to come up with a subnet mask based on those needs. Here we can use still the same formula and we'll actually be using that same formula in reverse, 2 to the nth minus 2. 2 to the nth minus 2, where n still equals the number of bits in that section. So that's the solution for the second scenario. The third scenario, given a network address and a subnet mask, list the valid subnet addresses, the different valid subnet numbers that you could have based on that subnet mask. Here, though I'm not a big proponent of shortcuts, here I'm going to show you a little shortcut that you can use to cut down on the time that it will take you to find this information. Since this process can actually be long, I'll show you the long way and then I'll show you the shortcut as well. Here we'll use a solution called the magic number. The fourth scenario, given an IP address and subnet mask, find the subnet address, number 1, find the broadcast address, and find the valid host range. This scenario we'll address using that list of tasks. So we'll say RJ's tasks or RJ's rules. Here we're just going to follow the rules that we laid out. We'll just follow the rules. So you could write that in there just to keep in mind. This method I call the trust the line method.